Wait, can y'all believe this nail kit is going all the way to Ireland? Like, what? This is my first time shipping here, so let's get started. So, boom, she ordered the full experience, the ultimate nail tech kit for the summer. So, starting off, we have our acrylic practice mat, the practice finger, the nail drill, and the UV lamp. I want to make sure my girl in Dublin, Ireland is standing out and has the best nails ever, so this nail kit is packed with everything she needs. She has these amazing natural and clear tips that she can have as long as she wants. Now we're packaging some nail tips and tools in our package. Now this is my favorite. She's gonna love our handmade acrylic powders that are also glow in the dark, along with her 12-piece manicure set. Cuticle oil, dab and dish, glitter, she has everything she needs. I don't play when it comes to presentation, even internationally. She's gonna get the best of the best. I can't wait for her to get her box. Knowing she's about to open this magical box in Ireland makes me so happy. If you want a nail kit just like this, go to nailsinparadisestore.com.